casting ceremony.
Let us shine like the rising sun. Make our lives ever pure and wise. Fill our hearts with joy and peace to serve the nation with love.
Student Council 24-25. The head boy, the head girl, and the assistant head girl are marching forward to take the work as the supreme rulers for the upcoming society.
బాల్యంలో వేసే ప్రతి అడుగు విద్యార్థి భవిష్యత్తుకు పునాదులు అవుతాయి. పాఠశాల స్థాయిలో విద్యార్థి పాటించే క్రమశిక్షణ, మమత ఇవన్నీ వారి భవితపై ప్రభావం చూపుతాయి. దేశాన్ని ముందుకు నడిపే సాధికారిక పౌరులుగా సరైన మార్గంలో నడిపించడానికి కావలసిన
Give him a big round of applause. David Paul from 9th A1 Standard. David Paul, son of Madhuchandra Rao, as he receives the badge from our principal as a head boy for the session of 24-25. I request our chief guest of today's program, Mr. Kanchan Rao, to hand over the school flag to our head boy. As he receives the school flag, he upholds the responsibilities of the school. Give him a big round of applause. Sumitra from 8th A4, the daughter of Surendra Babu, as she receives the sashes from our correspondent and upholds the duties and the responsibilities. With a huge round of claps, we congratulate her as the head coach for the academic session 24-25. I request our principal sister to pin the badge as a head goal for the academic session. I request our guests to hand over the flag as she receives. C.H. Surya, the games captain, son of Buchi Babu, from 9th A1 Standard, as he receives the sashes from our correspondent. Give him a big round of claps as a token of congratulations for upholding the responsibility as a games captain. As he moves forward to receive the badge from our principal, to be honored as a games captain. The assistant games captain, Shravanti from 9th A1 section, the daughter of Ravi Kumar, who upholds the position of assistant games captain. Let's wish her all the best with a huge round of claps as she receives the charges from our beloved correspondent. As she marches forward to receive the badge from our principal as the assistant games captain for the academic year 24-25. What a huge moment for her to lead as a vice captain for the session. With a huge claps, we invite the cultural team leader, Afia, from 8th A3 section, the daughter of Sri Hari, as she receives the charges from our beloved correspondent. We wish her all the best with a huge round of claps. Afia, the cultural captain, as she upholds the responsibilities of performing all the cultural events for the academic session and receives the badge from our principal. Name him as cultural captain. Tulsi Ram from 8th A4 section, the son of Mr. Radha Krishna, the literary captain for the academic session 24-25, receives the charges from our correspondent. The honors of our student council. As they march towards, I would like to show the respect and the dignity, the pride, the unity. And it is led by the Golden Finch captain, Harshad.
Golden Finches reflects the quality that makes a symbol of excellence and inspire.
नेता सोन चिड़ियों की तरह है, ना धरती आकाश ना जंगल रेगिस्तान। एक उड़ान आसमान की ओर आ रही है, अतुल्य भारत की ओर कदम उठाने के लिए आगे आ रही है ये सेना। विजय का प्रतीक खतरों से बचाना, मन में श्रद्धा भर और देश को पावन धाम बनाएगा। वीर
గమనిస్తూ ఉండడం అవసరం. నిరంతరం మానసిక శారీరక శక్తులను పెంచుకుంటూ జీవితంలో ఎదుగుతూ సమాజంలో బలమైన నమ్మకంలో ఈ సమూహం క్రమశిక్షణగా సాగుతుంది.
Now at your side, gracious march of a team named Green Parrot, leading by the Captain Craig Rajahansa. Green Parrot is intelligent and full of personality. It is a symbol of community, loyalty, and good luck.
Thanks to our correspondent, Reverend Sister John Paul, and our principal, Reverend Sister Sirisha Ghani. Your unwavering belief in my abilities and your constant support have been instrumental in my journey. Your leadership and vision inspire all of us to strive with excellence and embody the values of our school. I would also like to thank the Chief Guest Mr. Banu Prakash Reddy Garu for coming and witnessing our investiture ceremony. Next, to be the best version of myself. The dedication to my growth, not just academically but also as individually, has been truly inspiring. Each one of
Dear parents and my dear fellow students, it is with immense pleasure and honor that I stand before you as a newly elected head girl of the academic year 2024-25. Firstly, I extend my heartfelt thanks to our respected principal, Reverend Sister Sirisha Rani. Sister, your leadership has instrumental in fostering a nurturing environment where academic achievements and pleasant growth go in hand. Your dedication to our education has set a benchmark for excellence. Teachers,
Respected correspondent, estimated principal, beloved teachers, dear parents and my fellow students, I am deeply honored and happy to stand before you as the privileged junior head girl of Nirmala High School, CBSE. I am grateful for the trust placed in me and I vow to uphold the values of our school with utmost dedication together with my fellow leaders. I am committed to fostering a supportive and inclusive environment where each student can thrive academically, socially and personally.
That is the main purpose of it. Main purpose of it drill to teach you how to endure. Endure not physically, mentally as well. Endure throughout the life. Because life throws us so many problems at us. It may be small or big. In your studies, sometimes you get more marks, sometimes you get less.
This will be making you to say why we are still existing on the planet. There are many other planets, but why we are here. The moment that you are questioning, your interest to listen and to learn, it increases. The more you are interested to listen, the more you will be searching to earn it. The more you earn it, you will become the leaders. To be a DSP, he has struggled a lot to come to this stage. He might have sacrificed all his pleasurable moments. But here, as an invitee, in front of you, as a guest, he stands here. That means makes you higher, you need to question why.